In this lesson, we'll review a math problem from the grid-in section. We're on page 597, question 12. This is a moderate problem. We're given that x squared minus y squared equals 77, x plus y is 11, and the question's asking for the value of x. And I think the mistake a lot of students make is we have two variables, and I think some students would just start with the second equation and isolate x, so x equals 11 minus y, and then substitute that in. And then for x, square the quantity minus y squared. It takes a long time. So remember, if you ever have two questions side by side, algebraic expressions, don't do it sort of the long academic way. You might get it right, but it's going to expend too much time. You want to look for what I call the shortcut to re-express and then substitute. And so let's start with this first equation, x squared minus y squared. This is a basic algebra concept, and it's called the difference of two squares, two different perfect squares. So that also could be expressed as x squared minus 64. So perfect squares, the difference, can always be re-expressed or factored. In this case, it would be x plus 8, x minus 8. So down here, you could re-express as x plus y, x minus y equals 77. Now we've re-expressed it. Look at this second equation. We know the value of x plus y is 11, and so we're going to substitute this whole quantity for x plus y as 11. So now we know that the quantity x minus y, this whole quantity has to equal 7. And you have to be careful. The question's not asking for x minus y, it's asking for x. And so let's think about it. We have two equations. We know that x plus y is 11. We also know that x minus y equals 7. And then here, this is just systems of equations. We can just combine the two, right? And the y's will cancel out, and then we end up with 2x, the y's cancel out, equals 18, x is 9. And so I think this is a much more efficient way. I can't guarantee what method. In this case, it was systems of equation and difference of two squares. It's always going to be some algebraic manipulation. So look for what I call the shortcut and then substitute. All right, the answer here is 9. See you next time. Thanks for watching.